This is Gab at DS Diving. It is July 2nd, 2026, here at Epping Forest Yacht Club. Just working on Lizzy Boo. It seems due to the fact the outboard motor has been left in the water, and the fact that the bottom paint is very old and failing. This boat is going to be an hourly boat. Let's take a look. Also, as you see, I've kind of cleaned the waterline here, but due to the bottom paint not reaching anywhere near high enough, and the fact that it's failing, so clean. DS time.